Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is get into 3 crypto tokens I would pick up right now since the market's down. Right now, we are Tuesday, March 19th of 2024, and the Moose is going to get loose. These picks should not be taken as financial advice. I'm not telling you to get out there and pick up these tokens. However, if you want to become more like a moose, then you got to think like a moose. You got to watch more content too. So if you get something out of this, smash a like button, subscribe, and let's dive into it. Not going to bore you with some nonsense. So as you all know, actually it could be different today. You're probably watching this on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The market is down right now. So I've been taking a look at different cryptos and I've been looking at different opportunities, and I found 3. I mean, you know these projects, one of which you may not. But at the end of the day, when there's crisis, there is typically opportunity. So when something bad happens in the market, when people get fearful, that's a great time to jump in. So let's dive into what you should be taking a look at. So the obvious one is Bitcoin, but we're not even going to talk about Bitcoin in this video. I want to do a couple things. So first off, I want to not bring up Bitcoin, and I want to talk about something I haven't talked about, and I want to do something that's a little less risky, something that's more risky, and then like a meme token. So that's what I want to get into in this video. So if we take a look at percentages, okay, I'm going to assume that it's just based on what we're seeing now, 2.38 trillion market cap. If the market corrects a little bit, say we go up, that's great, okay? By the time you're watching this video, things could change dramatically. However, I assume we're probably gonna continue to go even lower. So if we take a look, let's go after something safe that I think is just an absolute buy. And one of them that I saw is down here. And I think Cosmos is a great buy. And the reason being, it's a project that's been around a while. And on top of this, you can generate a really nice yield. So if you're looking for, I guess you'd call it like a legacy project, but if you're looking for something that is a safe bet, you want to get it on a discount. I mean, look at this thing. 20% basically on the week, still up on the month, but I mean, with Cosmos, you can stake pretty easily. And I've done videos on the channel. So if you guys do go to Crypto Moose, I might have it on here. Cosmos, staking Cosmos, Adam. I might have a video on how to do that. Let me see. So things are just a little slow. So check it out. I've done a video on Meld. Specifically, I interviewed Ken recently. So that was a lot of fun. But go here, type in Cosmos. It might be under the recent videos as well. So check it out. We have lots of content for you all to check out. So even if we refresh this, yeah, we're just going up, down, up, down, up, down with the market. But ultimately, I think Cosmos Atom is going to be a great bet for you because it's a great project that you can buy and hold on to for a long time and generate a nice yield. So that's number 1. Number 2 is going to be Copi, of course, Copi. Copi is a gaming project and severely suppressed. Like what, 5%? Is that on the day though? Yeah, on the week it's not doing terrible. Not terrible at all. I guess it's not showing on the week, but let's see. 7-day, it's only down 5%. It's not bad. But the thing is, this token could pop at any time. And recently, Cornucopias was listed on 2 more exchanges, centralized exchanges. So people are getting more access to the token. And if you don't know what Copi is, it's a AAA level game. The team's incredible. They've got NFTs. It's a, I guess I could read the synopsis on the website, but go to cornucopias.io. It's an MMO RPG where player-driven economies and a thirst for adventure rule the bubbleverse. Develop your skills as a trader, artisan, entrepreneur, blah, 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 blah. So basically, Cornucopia's land masses enclosed in floating domes thousands of meters high, challenging other players to mini games, create digital. Basically, this is your Web3 game built in using Unreal Engine 5. Everything's built in-house, and it's been amazing to watch. I've been watching this thing since a penny, and at 8 cents, I think it's still stupid cheap. Looking at the market cap of 70 mil, this thing could go to $1 billion market cap relatively soon, and that would change Moose's life. But Cosmos number 1, Copi number 2. The next one is going to be Bonk. Bonk, and the reason I want to get into Bonk, it's down right now. So on the week, and the thing is, why I'm mentioning Bonk, this thing's up a lot recently. However, what you have to understand is that Solana is probably going to be a top 2. It may surpass Ethereum in my opinion because it's just cheaper. I'm telling you, Solana, there's something about it where I've been talking about it for a while. It's a top 3 crypto right now. And if you take a look at meme tokens, they've been crushing it. And right now, Bonk, it's down 25%, let's call it, on the week. You can get this thing, make a pretty easy 25%. Not financial advice, but it's one of the bigger meme tokens. It's a meme play for Solana, for a token that could just go nuts, right? So let's take a look at CoinMarketCap. Yeah, Solana's top 5 now, 70. So it's not far off from BNB. I think it was number 4 recently. I think Solana is going to surpass Ethereum this bull run. It's very possible. ETA should surpass XRP because XRP is damaged. It's basically, I don't know what XRP is like. XRP is like Terra Luna before it imploded. It's just a joke. So sorry if you guys hold XRP. I don't know. I kind of nag on it, but anyways, I'm not even going to talk about it. So Solana ecosystem. Yeah, like you could take a look at a bunch of these. I guess I'll give you guys a couple of other ideas. These are things that I would get if I was a little more liquid. But the Moose tends to spend all of his cash. He's only got $5 left. $5 of the Canadian monopoly money. Basically $2 USD. Trash. So Solana ecosystem on the week, what's down? So Ponky, this is another one if you really want to take a leap of faith, but just understand it's dangerous. Catman, what the heck? Only one. I don't know about that. Myro, another meme, could work. There is, what is that? MAGA Trump. Could be an incredible coin. Just an incredible coin. I got Terra Classic. And then you have Audius, Prism, Star Atlas. All these are down, I mean, 25 to 50% on Solana. So I think these are going to bounce back within a month, whatever it may be. So, ladies and gentlemen, check out the link tree. If you have not already, pick up a hardware wallet, pick up a ledger. I've got links for you to save up to 25% off the Tangem. So this is the Tangem. We got to start doing more of that, chucking it and catching it. So we get the Tangem, we get the Trezor. Trezor's around 250 USD, I think. So this one's a little more expensive, but the best of the bunch. And yeah, check out the online courses. These have been great. Reviews have been awesome. So I'm really proud of those. So that's part of my legacy. Guys, get in the Discord as well. You will get early access to videos. I'm starting to do that in the Discord. So yeah, those are my top 3 picks. Comment down below if you agree with the Moose or if the Moose got too loose if he was wrong. We'll see you in the next one.